Yes, it is. Yes, it is the weekend, and y'all know what this weekend is. It's Valentine's Day weekend. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend or weekday whenever you see this. But I'm filming on a weekend. Um, yeah, so this is a welcome. I think I already said that, didn't I? Well, if I didn't say that, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video, and welcome to my new subscribers. Hello, I hope you guys stay with us. Um, and welcome to my OGs. Thank you so much for rocking with me and continuing to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. But anybody that's interested, click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. But this is a Birchbox unboxing for February, and I haven't done this in about a year. But I got my Birchbox yesterday, and I decided to share it with you guys. But the box, it looks like waves, like waves, and it's really pretty. So I'm gonna open it, and when you open the box, it has a little card there, tells you the contents of what is in there. But Birchbox is a monthly subscription. You pay, well, it used to be $10. Now it's like $14 for the subscription. I was about to cancel the subscription because I wasn't finding anything that I really like in there, and so on and so forth. So I said, let me give it one more try. It's February. Maybe they have some new goodies, some more interesting stuff. So yes, hopefully this box will let me not want to cancel it, but let's see. It comes with a wrapping paper, and this is like a coral color. So once you open the box, you see all the goodies in there. I have not looked at them in detail, so I'm going to look at them with you. Okay, so the first thing that I'm seeing is the Perfect Repair Leave-In Treatment. And it looks like that. I have purchased the full size of these products before. The Perfect Repair. These are really good. But let me tell you what it does. It is, what is it called? So it's Nature Labs. Nature Labs, yeah. Nature Labs. The full size is $16. It deeply strengthens hair with this lightweight leave-in, enriched oils and vegan keratin leave-in hair, softer and healthier. Use as the first step on clean damp hair. So you use this on your damp hair, you spritz it on your damp hair. And the full size is $16. So that is a good product. I like the line of that. Next thing that I'm seeing is the All-In Beauty Aid Cream. I've never seen this before, but it looks like that. And it is all-in-one beauty aid cream. The full size is $32, so it is pricey. This intensely hydrating face cream creates a triple barrier moisture shield that retains skin moisture, improves firmness and elasticity, and keeps your skin supple and healthy. So it's a face cream. So it doesn't tell you if you're supposed to put it at night or daytime. So maybe you have to put it on whenever you feel like using it, I guess. So I'm opening it up to see. Does it have a smell? Putting it on my hand here. It has a medicine smell. Yeah, doesn't smell very feminine. So it has a medicinal smell. So if you like medicinal smells, then you go ahead and get this. But this is how it looks once you rub it all in. As you can see, it's kind of shiny. If you have issues with your skin, I have oily skin, so I really don't need this. So yeah, not interested in that one. Okay, so the next thing that I see, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful color. It is Be Your Nails ink. It's It's called Nails Ink. It's red polish, fear of missing out. So that's what the name of it, fear of missing out. But it's like a deep red. It's a shimmery shade. So I like this. This is a very pretty shade, especially for Valentine's. So this one I'm really liking. So I found two products that I really like. So the full size of the Nails Ink is $11. So if you're interested in that, this one is retails for $11. All right. So the next thing that I'm seeing here is it's called Evil Longi. Evil Longi. And it's got a pale writing out on there, so I hope you can see it. Never heard of this before. So I hope you can see. Okay. So this one is Intensive Blemish Serum. The full size is $35. Aside from obliterating blemishes, as if you weren't enough, the serum also tackles scars, hyperpigmentation, used twice a day used twice a day under or over your makeup. So I guess this is for your face, and if you have hyperpigmentation, which I do over here, like yeah, this is the side that faces the sun, and I always get burned. I always get sunburned for whatever reason. But this one is the full size. What did I say? The full size. The full size is $35, so it's very pricey. But if it works, it would be good. So I'm interested to try this out as well. Ooh, the last product that's in there is lip icing. Now I tell you guys many times that anytime when I see lip products, it is worth it. So yes, I'm very happy with this box. Thank you, Birchbox. I'm very happy with this box when you send me lip products. Okay, so this one is lip icing. It is the brand Estate Cosmetics. Never heard of Estate Cosmetics. This is a non-sticky gloss, leaves your lips with a beautiful semi-sheer shine for your lips, but better effect. Use on bare lips on top of your favorite lip color or a glossy finish for a glossy finish. So you can use it on top of your favorite lipsticks, but it's retails for $10, and the packaging is very pretty, guys. Very pretty, um, very pretty pink and white, and it's called Glazed. Upside down. It's called Glazed. Yeah, it is upside down. Sorry, guys. It's called Glazed. No, it's like this. I got it now. So it's like this. It's called Glazed. And let's open it up and see. Okay, so ooh, it's a nice color. It's shimmery. Yeah, it has a shimmery undertone. It's kind of brown. Looks brown to me. But I'll swipe it for you. And it has like a sponge applicator at the top. And let me swipe. Look at that. Glides on easy. But look at it. Ooh, very shimmery. So I'm liking that as well. Yeah. So I found three items that I'm loving. I'm loving this, which is the glazed lip. I love these products. I use them in my hair. And this. So I'm loving these three products here. These are the ones I'm loving. So if you're interested in Birchbox, then you can go ahead and sign up. I'm not getting paid for this. I just subscribe to them, and yeah. So I hope you do like this unboxing, and I do hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. And I will be doing a Savage Fenty lingerie for February as well. So you can go ahead and check that out as well. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I do hope that you guys have a wonderful weekend and wonderful evening, morning, whenever you see this. Guys, love you.